Hey, good afternoon, traders. Happy Monday. Holiday out here, in the States. And I didn't trade today. So I thought I'd do a little playback, looking over the chart on the 4th of November. And I'm going to show you a trade that I missed. I didn't miss, I got stopped out on. And why I did that. So I kind of just figure I'm right here at the bottom of this whole thing. Price bottomed out, it's trying to go up, right? So I've got that bias going on, right? Price came down. This might be a bottom. It's looking like a bottom. It feels like a bottom. So these are the things that I'm thinking about, right? And I'm not necessarily trading the left, but I want to figure out what swing I'm gonna trade. And so I have to do all this work to figure that out, because you got a low here, and it just keeps making lower lows. So, am I going to trade a swing like this? Something like that. Is there a shelf in here I can kind of cheat? Look for a top like that, or a wash. You can see the wash. Sometimes it's on a shelf. That one just got creamed, right? That's like a top right there, right? That's kind of true. That's like this one here. So yeah, I'm just trying to get a feel for what I'm doing. That's my point here. And so what I do is I start mapping it out, just like I'm doing there. Boom, right? I got a wash-like thing here. So I'm going to call that a shelf. I'm going to call this my pressure cooker. And I'm going to buy this line here. So I put my orders out
Order
here.
submitted.
We're in my trading zone time, right? 7, a little after 7. And price is dancing around, dancing around, dancing around. Well, let me get the marquee in here. Dancing around, dancing around, dancing around. And I just sit back and wait and watch this thing crawl back. I've got my impulse leg. I've got my shelf. I've got a wash. I got a retest. I got everything I need to make a trade right here. Hit me. I'm going to put a stop down below here. It's going to be a big one. 33 bucks. Hold on a second. To the top up there. That's going to get up there, right? That's going to like somewhere in there. I should be all right. See, I'm already daydreaming, right? I'm already thinking, yeah, okay, I can see this pullback here. It's going to end up over here. You could take the length of this impulse leg and, yeah, it looks like it's got some legs. Maybe if it gets here, I'll take it my hand. I don't know. So, but I'm thinking this. I'm thinking that. And as I sit here and waiting for price, come on, let's get it up there. Let's go up here. It takes off on me. I missed the trade. So now what do? Oh wait, it's coming back. I sat through this whole thing. I sat through all this stuff. I saw, this not happen, waiting for something to happen in here, right? How come I couldn't be, that's the trade right there. I feel the same thing you guys feel, right? There's little trades in here too. If you want to trade this little guy, there's little guys right there. If you just want to be like, hey, I want to get in and get out, I want to get my piece, dude. Pow, right? Impulse leg, shelf, wash, retest, boom, it's right there. But I'm trading this bigger one. This is what I'm trading. So this is, defining my market, defining where I want to be. This is me trading this swing. Back in the action. Price is coming down. I'm watching, I'm waiting. Looking at the clock. I got to get my kids to school. I'm like, oh man. Here's the pressure cooker across the back. Gonna see if it drops into my shelf here. Retest the shelf. It's a good healthy stop right under there. I should be all right. Here we go. It's gonna happen. I can feel it. I can feel it. Oh, it's brutal. Coming down though, right? Pops back up. Oh, right into these sellers. See them? And then it comes off. Right into the pressure cooker. Right into the pressure cooker. Right into the pressure cooker. Did I have this one? How did I end up down here? Huh. I screwed it up. I took that trade. I'm supposed to be on that ship, headed up to space. Oh, man. All right, well, I missed that one. Probably because I knew it's about to happen. It doesn't end well. But hold on. We're going to see what happens. Because I could have took my money. I wanted to take my money. I was right in here. I got that one. This is the one I did. I got like that. It was like a 3-to-1 trade. Or yeah, 3-to-1 trade right up to there. Look how close I got. Runs into this guy. Right? Runs into these sellers. Can't go through. It's right on this guy right here. Can't run through. So what do? Do I move my entry? What do I do? Well, I'm not going to chase it because those are sellers. I'm not going to really change anything because it hasn't taken off yet to make another impulse. It hasn't taken off yet to make another impulse. So I'm just going to chill out. Yeah, maybe I tighten it up a little bit. All right, you guys ever do this? Okay, I just want a piece of this thing. So I know what's going on.
Order filled.
I'm in now. Okay, so now I go to my, what stop do I use? See, this is why you have to have a plan. I put my stop in here. Go back to my original, and now I'm at $40. Oh, have you guys ever done that? Just move your stop a little bit. Now your plan's out. Now I'm going to be 40. It's $40 a contract. I got 2 contracts, so that's $80. All right, I've got to stop. This is how we think, guys. This is real stuff. I'm behind here. I'm toast if this happens.
Stop filled.
There it goes. Done. Stop filled. Oh my God. Bring up the truth here. Come on, move around. Bring up the truth. Yeah. $80 vaporized. Okay. That's not my daily limit, but it's certainly more than I like to lose on the first trade. I mean, we just started the day. So I kind of go through this whole thing, and remember, it's 20 times, so it's pretty good. And now we're below this. We're taking this whole thing out. So now I'm just like, okay, my plan to buy this thing is no longer valid. And I have to watch. And I just watch. And I just watch. I know all of us come over here and say, oh man, we could have, should have, would have. Maybe you take a line and you say, well, what's my low? Is it going to break that guy? And this is real life trading here, guys. This isn't like I'm going to, capture all this and this and this. I am going to watch this though, because buyers will pick it up at some point. Now, buyers picking it up here. All right. Does it break through the kill zone of the other one? It might retest and come off. I don't know. I can't remember. But I'm still engaged. I'm still trying to figure it out. Comes down. Ugh. It's 9:15. I'm like, oh man. I draw up my line. We're below that other swing. So I'm expecting a reaction. The sellers have, or the buyers have picked it up. Does it break through here? Right? Do I get an impulse out of here? See, this is the thing, guys. I'm waiting for the next setup. I see an impulse. Okay, I'm kind of sitting here like, is it going to be a cross? Oh, it goes up. It takes off. Oh, takes off. Takes off. Slow down a little bit. Okay, if I was going to place orders, where would they be? Right? If I was going to place orders, where am I putting my orders? Here, here, or here? Okay, so let's do this. Where's your stop? Is it here or here? Right? Is your stop here? Another 41? No way, I'm not doing that. Took out the low. Is it right here? Or maybe you just want to really nicely say, you know what, I'm kind of stubborn. I'm not going to take another hit. That one's not as bad as the other one. If price comes back down here and does that, let's just try that and see what happens. See, this is how I play my game.
Order submitted.
But honestly, we're not following the rules.
Order canceled.
Cancel in that order. Price pulls back. Price takes off. Price goes down. What happens next? We'll have to find out.